It's about aka Chubby Nation. I say Mama Fasha Mama Mochana. Welcome to
another
bang. As you already know, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you find next time I drop a new video. And then if you are returning, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for speaking fast, let me not be in a hurry. So in this video of it too, I'm gonna imitate a song called Ivangeli Elakudala. Ivangeli. Do you know this evangelist? Yeah, I hope you enjoy of it too. Please hit the subscribe button if you are a new subscriber. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get into it.
Ivangeli.
Yeah man, amen. That was it, my favorite. That was pretty much it. So please comment the name of the song you guys want me to imitate next. For OK Chubby, please make a video for me using this song. And then I will deliver as I always do, my favorite. I hope you enjoyed my No, it's gonna be nice, my favorite too. And watch out for a new travel with Chubby Nation videos coming soon. I know I haven't posted much on that content, and on this content they explore the beauty of nature with Chubby Nation also. I'm gonna drop a new video, so watch out, man. Yeah man, thanks for watching. Thank you for being a beautiful audience, guys. I love you all. God bless you and good night.